For all the torpes out there or anyone who's ever had a crush that makes your heart race, our next guest is definitely the artist for you. Now, his viral hits have often been used in fan edits or love teams for their Kilig-filled lyrics. And today, he's here to bring those good vibes live on our show. Please welcome Jao as he performs Ikaw Lang Po right here on Daymix.
Di na namalayan na unti-unti nang nahuhulog ang damdamin sa'yo. Di ko inakala na mababaliw ako ng ganito. At sa paglipas ng gabi, ikaw ay aking katabi. Walang hangarin na iba kundi ikaw. Ayaw nang mawali sa iyong tabi, hindi inipapayag na di ka masilayan. Araw-araw gusto kitang kasama, tatabi sa iba. Ikaw lang po at ikaw lang talaga. Araw-araw dinanalangin kay bathala, pero ikaw ay kusa lang na dumating. At sa paglipas ng gabi, ikaw ay aking katabi. Walang hangarin na iba kundi ikaw. Ayaw nang mawali sa iyong tabi, hindi inipapayag na di ka masilayan. Araw-araw gusto kitang kasama, tatanggi sa iba. Ikaw lang po at ikaw lang talaga. Araw-araw araw-araw.
Ladies and gentlemen, Jao with Ikaw Lang Po. Beautiful day, Jao. Thank you so much for that.
Come join us over here, Jao.
Yes, so we're just going to have him unequipped himself with that guitar. Grabe.
Hello, good
po.
morning.
Good morning po.
What a vibe
Thank you
here this morning. Maraming salamat. We really appreciate that song, Ikaw Lang Po. First off, the big question here asked by my partner, bakit may po?
Oo
Why are you so
nga.
respectful?
Bakit may po? Sandali. Pag tita ba yan?
Target market pala, tita.
Bakit pa mga tita? Kasi tita ako. Para
Oo.
sa mga katulad ko
Kinilig
ba
kasi
yan?
siya eh. Tuloy.
Ikaw lang po.
Po.
Actually, yung po is... Kasi napansin po ng listeners ko na yung mga lyrics ko is very quirky, very cute.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sabi ko, what if lagyan ko ng po sa title yung song and sa lyrics din para lagyan ko ng parang panindigan ko na talaga yung cuteness
Okay,
and yung
yeah.
quirkiness.
Okay.
So nilagay ko na po yung po. And fun fact, song po siya about sa parents ko. Kaya parang may po na rin.
Kaya
sorry.
may
Tama na lang din.
po.
Could you explain a bit more about that? Like yung love story nila or you try to write from yung perspective nila? So paano to naging about your
The
parents?
parents, yeah.
Naging about sa kanila kasi napansin ko yung assurance na binibigay nila sa isa't isa.
Wow.
Kasi like every morning na bubungad sa akin, maririnig ko lang. May inggit ako eh. I love you ma, I love you too pa, ganyan.
Oh
So,
wow, that's so sweet.
Are they watching?
wala, hindi po yata kasi nasa airport po sila.
Sa
nasa
airport.
airport.
You know what? We'll
Okay,
send them
but
the
that's so
interview. You should
sweet.
send them this
Yeah,
interview
yeah.
para, you know, we can celebrate their love together, diba?
Yeah.
Of course, on other songs that you do have, Torpe, Classroom Crush, normally end up sa Spotify playlists.
Yes,
Very high rating, very high ranking. And of course, may tema ka eh. So far, it's all about love. It's all about yung mga sawi. It's all about yung hopefulness and yung daily love, daily grind of loving someone and yung rewards that come from it. Saan yan nanggagaling? Because normally you write what you know. So sobrang in love ka ba?
Usually, lahat po ng pinanggagalingan ng songs ko sa experience talaga.
Ayun.
Experience talaga.
Wow.
Experience or kwento ng mga close ko na tao.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, yun po, yung pinanggalingan ng Torpe is yung EP ko po na Kabanata EP.
Mhm.
And yung buong song po na, yung buong EP po na yun, which consists of 6 songs.
Yeah.
Oh.
Tungkol lang siya sa naging taong crush ko ng 2023.
Crush mo noong 2023.
Crush lang po.
Crush lang, so
Crush
hindi
lang.
kayo,
Crush lang.
walang nangyari.
Wala talaga.
Kasi torpe ka ba? O is the song relatable? yung famous song mo, Torpe? Are you a torpe in real life?
Unfortunately, yes. Pero hindi na po ngayon. Hindi na ngayon.
Hindi na
Hindi
ngayon.
na ngayon kasi
Oo.
nag-gain na siya ng confidence
Yeah,
now
yeah.
that he's
Oo.
a star, di ba?
Grabe. Again, just looking at your history in general, Señales in particular are nominations on the 38th Awit Awards for
Yes,
Best
po.
Pop Recording, Best Performance by a Solo Artist,
Wow.
and Best Musical Arrangement. And you talk about yung promise to yun and how your career is going right now. And of course, the fans that are growing and the way that you're writing, have you found yourself as an artist na? Because, again, very young, 23 years young. And we love your songs already. And again, it hits a different generation. It's her generation. Sobrang iba yung generation niya. Natamahan
Oo,
siya.
kasi pag naglagay ka ng po, automatic
Oo
yun sa
nga.
mga tita na yun.
Oh. So, do you feel that you found your voice as an artist already? Are you comfortable where you are and how you're growing?
Yes po. Kasi actually, hindi ko po talaga na-expect na magiging artist ako. Na I would write songs, ganyan. Kasi talagang tutok ko lang talaga is aral lang talaga. Then, yun nga po, dumating yung pandemic. Sabi ko, what if i-upload ko yung mga cover videos ko sa TikTok? Then, ayun na po, na-pick up na ako ng label ko. Then, sabi ko,
Okay.
labas nga ako ng kanta.
Oh.
Yun na po, doon na po siya nagsimula. And parang ngayon po, nahanap ko na po yung purpose ko na, okay, I was born for this.
I like that.
You know, speaking of TikTok, now that you've mentioned that, gusto kong ikwento mo sa amin that moment that turned heads, yung TikTok duet with Ed Sheeran.
Yes.
Oh my goodness, what was going through your mind when you saw yung notification na Ed Sheeran dueted your song? Kwento mo.
Actually, hindi ko pa nga po yun pinaniwalaan nung una.
Okay.
Kasi like, nagdo-doom scroll lang po ako mga 2 a.m. Sabi ko, ano na to? Ed Sheeran na to, dueted your video. Akala ko po kasi fake lang.
Okay.
Kasi ang dami
Kasi maraming
ang dami
ano.
na eh.
Yeah, yes.
Opo. Tapos, nung pinindot ko po yung video na yon, hindi po ako makasigaw kasi alas 2 na nga po na madaling araw.
Ba't ka
po
pa gising ng ano?
Pero tamang timing lang din po yun na
Oo.
first time ko po nakita na dinuwet niya po talaga. And nakakabaliw kasi growing up, nakikinig na po talaga ako sa kanya. So, ayun, nakikita ko po kinikilig ako.
Oh, ang galing.
Oh, kakakilig naman talaga. I mean, when you throw your content out there, hindi mo naman iniisip na iduduet yan ng someone so big.
Opo.
Diba?
Yung nagtataka po ako kasi hindi ko alam kung paano niya nakita yan.
Yeah.
Out of all the duet
Nagdo-doom
videos.
scroll lang din si Ed Sheeran.
Siguro. So, thank you, Ed.
Oo. Kasi I think that came from the album The A-Team eh. He wants to be part of the Jao team daw eh.
Oh, yeah.
Oo, diba? Obviously.
Jao
Obviously,
team.
that's how it works. But, okay, apart from that, have you seen him live dito? He's been here twice, I think, already.
Hindi pa po.
Oh my
Hindi pa
gosh,
po.
a collaboration must happen.
You have to make that
Jao
work.
and Ed
And
Sheeran.
Ed Sheeran, oo. Alam mo, this show has a magic ability of
Yes.
making your dreams come true.
That's true. This is
So,
a manifesting show.
Yes.
Manifest natin yan na mangyayari yan. The next time Ed Sheeran comes here, magkakaroon kayo ng collab.
oh, yun. Or at least a session, diba?
Actually, ano nga po yung cool kasi black and yellow, tapos yellow.
Oo.
So parang yun din po yung nakita kong colors sa channel. So sabi ko, okay, something, parang may mangyayari. Kako.
Yeah. Hope, look, we're manifesting that for you. We're gonna pray for it also. Normally, it's also a pray over show. Di lang alam ng tao. But we're going to make that happen. Okay. Oh, Jao! Let's go! And let's find Ed Sheeran for you and bring him back to the country.
Yes.
At we're gonna make that happen. We're gonna
Amen.
make that happen.
Amen.
Amen to
Amen.
that. All right.
Okay.
So let's talk about something that has already happened, which is the fact that your songs have also made the rounds on TikTok because nagiging soundtrack siya for a lot of love teams in
Yes.
general. For PBB love team, particular Caprice and Clifford, just that connection that has been made. How does it feel that talagang embedded in pop culture yung mga kanta mo?
Nakakatuwa po kasi hindi lang ako yung nag-enjoy sa songs ko kasi kwento ko nga po yun is
Oo.
ang dami pong nakaka-relate and nakakatuwa na yung mga fans is talagang sinasakto nila yun sa mga nangyayari sa lalo na sa PBB po. Nakakatuwa po lalo na yung mga fan edits nila na napakadami talaga. So yun, thankful po ako sa lahat ng mga nag-edit dyan.
Speaking of your fans, you know, you once mentioned that yung mga fans mo, they actually helped you get signed into a music label.
Yes.
Kwento
Yes
mo
po.
nga sa amin yung
Yes po.
story na yan.
Actually, ang nangyari po kasi nun, ilang buwan po yun talaga na parang ligawan.
Okay.
Kasi lagi pong dumadaan yung label ko sa TikTok live ko noon.
Aha.
Sabi ko, ba't kaya anong ginagawa nitong label na to dito?
Baka
Sabi
naman,
ko.
diba?
Opo. Tapos, nung mga 6 months po yata yun, na ganong pabalik-balik sila, ganyan, kamustahan lang po talaga. Ang nangyari po is one time, nainip na po yung fans. One time na dumaan po yung label sa live ko, finlad po nila na, ipasok niyo na si Joe, isa niyo na si Joe.
Galing.
Tapos after po nung live na
Okay.
yun, nakatanggap ako ng DM na, ayun na, signing na po.
Oh, ang galing. Wow.
Wow, thank you, fans.
That's insane.
Iba talaga power din ng fan base.
Actually,
ano?
Oo, sana may fan base din tayo, no? Wala pa eh.
Malay mo in the near future.
But again, maganda talaga that the fans of other fandoms, by the way, are using your songs. And
Yeah.
the goal kasi yan ng ibang music artists, especially the new ones now, na kapag sa TikTok or wherever social media platform na maging viral yung kanta nila, magamit sa mga fan edits and so on or yung mga trends, to the point that some people make songs specifically para sa
For
TikTok.
them. Yes po.
Are you that type of artist or does it just so happen na yung mga kanta mo ginagamit para sa TikTok or social media? Do you write for social media or do you just write songs the way you do?
I write songs to tell my stories po. Yun po talaga. It's just talagang sumakto lang po talaga sa mga nangyayari sa mundo ngayon. Parang, ayun, nakakatuwa po talaga. Ewan ko po, nakakatuwa. Yan po yung clip na yan, nakakatuwa yung fans dyan.
Oo.
Kasi talagang inabangan po nila yung song ko na Torpe nga po. And talagang dikit na dikit sa love team na yan yung
Of
song na
course.
yun.
Again, I believe the love teams that have used this, Ashley and Bianca De Vera, that PB love team also had a chance to use it. Caprice and Clifford also. It's your stories are all about love lately.
Opo.
Pero it wasn't necessarily the case all the time, if I'm not mistaken. And nag-emotional ballad rin siya. This boy has range.
So anong shift? Actually, tatanungin ko muna kung na-meet mo na rin
Oo,
ba yung
actually.
mga love teams na yan.
Yes po, si Will po and si Bianca, na-meet ko po sila dyan sa event po na yan
Ayan.
specifically. Parang ano po siya,
Okay.
fundraising event for animals po, pets.
Okay,
Ayun po,
okay.
yan po. Pero yung si Caprice po and Clifford, never pa po. Kasi,
Oh, yun ay next.
Yan
yes
yung
po.
next.
Oo, kailangan
Looking
nandun
forward.
sila as you sing the theme song, 'di ba? And si Ed Sheeran, dami natin kailangan i-manifest ngayon. Busy yung manifesting powers natin today, Pawa.
Ano yung binulong mo when they were, like kanina?
Okay, sige.
Oo.
First time ko po i-reveal to actually.
Okay,
Okay,
go.
go.
First time.
May exclusive bar ba tayo?
Meron
Pwedeng
akong
labas?
song para sa'yo kasi alam kong torpe ka.
And how did he react to it? Ano sabi
Sige,
niya?
abangan ko yan
Gigi?
ni Kanya. Opo.
I love how you just
Nakakatuwa.
admit na, oo, torpe talaga ako eh. Ganun talaga eh. Like how you said na torpe ka ga on the show, di ba? And there's nothing wrong naman with being torpe, I guess.
No.
Oo, cute nga yun eh, di ba?
I
Just
don't
like adding
know.
po to the song. Cute siya, actually, kasi
Wait,
yung masyadong
question ko po.
aggressive.
Torpe po ba kayo?
Ako dati.
Oh, I am not torpe.
I see Joe!
My
I
bro.
see Joe, my guy! Oh, diba?
O, gagawa ka rin yan ng kanta.
yung mga-
Pero dati lang yun. That was a long time ago, ages ago. Ngayon,
Dapat may-
wala nang, not a bit of shyness here in this person.
Dapat may kanta tayo, pare, na mga former torpe.
Yeah.
That found confidence because you found love.
Yeah.
Nako, Ano ba? But anyway, yung shift mo from different songs or different sounds, naging mas heartfelt na, mas love songs na ngayon. What inspired that shift?
Ako po kasi, isa po akong artist na parang nakikita ko po hindi po ako one-trick pony.
Yeah.
Okay.
Basically, gusto ko po talaga actually lahat ina-explore. Kasi yun din po yung mga pinakikita ko music, super random din po. Like rap, ballad, rock, blues, kung ano naman po, like super random po ng music taste ko. And sa akin po as an artist, gusto ko pong gawin yun na parang I can do all of this.
So gusto mo mag-explore din ng
Yes
ibang
po.
genres?
Yes po, yes po.
That's so
And
cool.
nakakatuwa po na super supportive din po yung team ko dun sa takbo na yun. And yeah,
Have you ever tried doing rap before?
soon
Sabi mo
po.
kasi
Soon
rap,
po.
diba?
Soon po sa album sana.
Oh,
You
yeah.
know why he needs to? Kasi he needs to rap with Ed Sheeran.
Oo nga.
Actually, nag-rap din po pala siya.
Yeah, he
That's why
does. He
I brought that
does.
up.
So, kailangan mag-practicein mo na para pagdating ni Ed Sheeran, ready ka.
Oo,
diba?
at kasi,
Yeah.
look, if I remember correctly, correct me if I'm wrong, yung simula ni Ed Sheeran, parang ballad-ballad din siya, and then
ballad.
talking about love.
And then he changed genres. Like, he explored different genres.
Yeah, he just
as
started
well.
talking about drinking a lot also.
Yeah.
Oo. Pero don't go down that road.
Sheeran
Because
na yun.
sometimes
Entirely.
you grow up, you know,
Yeah.
and your likes and interests change. Diba?
You know what I like about your music at yung proseso mo is that everything feels very personal eh. Is that what we'll always hear when we hear your music, yung Jao music, that personal insight to into yung life mo, yung pananaw mo in general, because the song we just heard a while ago was about your parents, and that's incredibly personal. Is that the same for the rest?
Yes po, kasi ang goal ko po talaga is like maging real, very raw, na ito yung nararamdaman ko talaga. Kasi lalo na ngayon sa pop culture na it's all about the beats. Yan, paulit-ulit na lang yung kung ano-anong random words na lang na nilalagay nila sa song. And ang aim ko po talaga is mag-resonate po yung music ko sa kung all ages actually. Sa lahat po na pwede pasok siya sa matanda, pasok siya sa bata,
Pasok
and
sa love team.
pasok sa love team.
Yes.
So yun po, rawness, pagiging totoo, and yeah.
Are you open to like writing songs talaga for love team since dalawa na yung na-feature mong ano, 'di ba?
Open naman po.
Sana yung
Rap.
ano na. Sana
Rap na love song.
how about feature them in a music video?
Actually, pangarap ko din po yun
Oo.
na magkaroon ng music video with them. Kaso,
There
Kaso,
are hoops to jump around.
sobrang sikat nila eh.
Ay nako, that's not impossible. It can happen.
Oh, you contributed to that, ha? Ano ka? So, I think
Yeah.
that, you know, you put all that together. And I like how he said he's trying to cater to all generations. Ikaw, na-in-love ka sa po, eh.
Basta automatic yun, maglagay ka lang po. You got all the tita's hearts already.
Oo.
Grabe to si Paulo Del Rosario.
Oo naman. We're 3 generations here, ha?
Yeah, well, speaking of generation, yung generation mo, Jao, you rely heavily on social media, di ba? I mean, dun nga naging viral yung mga posts mo, di ba, sa TikTok. Ano yung sa tingin mo parang pros and cons?
Pros and cons po is like,
Sorry, kasi I think the reason why we brought that up is kasi minsan some artists, they tend to measure success now via yung
Views.
Oh, yung virality niya. Like, are you bound by that or hindi naman?
part pa rin po yun
Oo.
kasi ang dami po nakakapansin sa song. Pero ayun nga po, ang goal ko talaga is mag-resonate yung song po talaga sa maraming tao.
Oo.
And actually, isang goal ko po sa buhay is makita yung kanta ko sa video okay.
Video
Seryoso?
okay.
Opo, parang pag
So,
nakita mo
kapag-
po kasi doon, I made it.
Oo.
Parang
You know
ganun
what?
na po
That's
eh.
so
yung,
true.
yung tipong MIDI, yung yung soundtrack lang.
At tapos yung memorize na nila yung code.
Oo, memorize na yung code. So, mga 3 a.m., kumakain ka ng sisig, tapos kumakanta ka ng jaw.
Yeah.
Saya nun. Oh my gosh, I want that. All right, I want that for you. And I promise you, I will do that. All right.
Ang dami natin kailangan i-manifest.
Kaya
Oh my
nga.
goodness.
One step at a time muna. We start with Ed Sheeran, then after that, we'll move on to karaoke.
Parang mas madali yata yung karaoke sandali.
Yeah. Mag-karaoke na siya with Ed Sheeran.
Oh, pwede,
Okay.
pwede.
So, right now, we're running out of time. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go on a little speed run here just to try and get a quicker idea of everything that you love. All right? We're gonna start off with this one first. Do you find it harder to write sad songs or feel-good songs?
Wala pong mahirap kasi I love doing this.
Ooh.
I love doing this. Nag-enjoy po akong nagsusulat and kinakwento yung... Kasi hindi po ako madaldal na tao na ganito ganyan yung nararamdaman ko. Gusto ko dinadaan ko siya sa kanta eh. And yun po.
Hindi ka na madaldal sa lagay na to.
Hindi pa masyado.
Hindi ba po ba?
Slight lang. Yeah.
Slight
How about
lang.
a topic you haven't tried but would love to write a song about soon?
Ano ba? Ano bang topic ang hindi ko pa nasusulatan? Siguro yung mga topics ngayon sa mundo, social issues.
Oh, really? Is that a goal?
Nice.
Social issues? Next
Gusto ko
mo?
pong subukan yun.
Really?
Gusto ko pong subukan.
Pwede.
So, next protest song,
We have a
kanta
lot.
niya.
Oo.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's
wow.
true.
I like that. All right. Longest time it took you to write a song.
6 months po.
Which song?
6 months. Yung... ito pong, yung part po ng EP ko na Maghintay po yung title. Nasa EP ko po siya, Kabanata EP. Mga last year ko pa po ata siya sinimulan. Then nung sabi nila na bubuo tayo ng EP, doon ko pa lang po siya natapos talaga. Ewan ko parang, ang hirap niya pong tapusin.
Bakit? Ay, wait, I'm curious.
Mahirap
Bakit siya
tapusin.
mahirap ka tapusin?
Parang
Tungkol ba sa storya mo yun? or
gusto ko
some
po
others?
siyang going perfect eh.
I get you. So, perfectionist ka.
okay,
So, what's
okay.
the shortest one? Since nagmamadali na tayo.
5 minutes po yung torpe.
5 minutes?
Yes po.
Yung torpe?
Kasi baka torpe talaga siya that
Oh,
time.
ay, maybe because...
Talagang labas na labas,
Labas
yung
talaga. Oo, I understand. All right. Ito, celebrity crush. Okay, we'll move
Wala
on.
po.
Yeah, ayaw
Dream
niya
collab
sagutin.
globally is Ed Sheeran locally.
TJ Monterde po.
Let's make that,
works,
happen.
that
Hi,
works.
TJ, if you're watching.
Close na.
Malay mo.
All right, if you could only listen to one song for the rest of your life, what would it be? And of course, which one?
Don't Let Me Down by The Beatles.
Oh, kaya
Or
nagpo-post
Rock
siya.
With You by Michael Jackson.
Oh, nice.
Kaya
Love that.
nagpo-post siya eh, diba?
Oh.
Very respectful. All right, and last but not least, songwriting or playing instruments, which do you love more?
Songwriting.
Ooh, songwriting.
All right.
Talaga?
And I think we're gonna
Teka lang, meron pa akong isang pahabol. What's your
Go.
go-to karaoke song?
Go
Pwera
to,
yung sa'yo kasi wala pa siya sa karaoke.
Bakit Ba Ikaw by Michael Pangilinan.
Oh, okay.
Like first song ko po agad yun every time na
Yun talaga,
magkakaraoke.
bakit?
Kasi yun po yung ginagamit kong pyesa nung high school.
Oo,
Pagka
feel na
sumasali
feel.
po
Feel
ng,
na feel mo.
Oo.
ng contest. Yun
Yeah.
po yung ginagamit ko.
Ah.
I get you. Oh, I like how you
Nice.
use the term pyesa. Kasi yung pyesa ko, bakit ngayon ka lang? I love that.
Oh, I love that
Ganun
song
na.
too.
Oo.
Didn't we sing that one time?
Yes, we did, but we did it off air. Anyway, any upcoming projects we have to look forward to? Any new music as well?
Next year po, plano ko pong maglabas uli sa birthday ko.
Ooh, okay.
So stay tuned for that and looking forward sa album, sana.
Yeah.
And also, music video with Love
With the love teams.
Love Teams.
Yes, let's make
And
that
of course,
happen.
collab with Ed Sheeran.
Yeah.
And TJ.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, sabay na.
Hi,
Yeah.
TJ.
All right, so we're gonna have to wrap things up here. But Jao, thank you so much for
Thank
coming
you.
on. And we have one last question
Yes,
to ask.
our show is called Beautiful Day. So, Jao, tell us, what makes your day beautiful?
Music.
Music.
So simple and so true.
And so true. Yeah.
I love it. Jao,
Heartfelt.
maraming salamat. We enjoyed this conversation.
Thank you.
And we hope that pag-release ng bagong album or EP that you come back on, we'll talk about it a bit more. And sana nga, we're one step closer to Ed Sheeran together. I want to meet him also.
Oo.
Ay, di ba
Tapos
po ba
mag-guest
siya?
kayo.
Hindi
Hindi pa.
naman,
Tapos mag-guest kayo dito sa show. Kantahin nyo yung
Oo,
collab.
song
collab
namin.
nyo.
Yeah,
right,
okay.
O kailangan na, we already, nag-book na kami.
Yes, that's
Alright? Ready na. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, once again, singer-songwriter Jao, make sure you follow him on all his socials. And of course, check him out on Spotify. Do spam that stream and make sure that we blow his name up. Maraming salamat, Jao. At Jao saying hello and Aaron Obra on IG and TikTok. Appreciate
Now,
you.